Some liberals wonder whether the world really needs more than one state. From the realist perspective, it's clear that states are there to stay. The state is a territory-based organization to set public life. The Westphalian state has in fact a strictly delineated territory with fixed borders. On the opposite, empires have fluid outer perimeters. Their boundaries are changing borderlands. So according to realism, the state is the solution, not the problem. Rather than a problem-generating body, the state is thus a valuable and necessary institution with considerable power. Brunello, what's power?
Influence, perhaps might.
Well, more or less, Brunello. The concept of power is central in realist thinking. According to Robert Dahl, power is the ability to make another actor doing what he or she would not have otherwise done, or not doing what he would have otherwise done. Kenneth Walls, another very important realist scholar, provides another definition, according to which an actor has power as long as he's able to influence the behavior of the other, more than the other is able to influence himself.
Actually, what do you need in order to be powerful?
Well, on these, opinions vary. But many realists would agree that in order to be powerful, you need to take care of your national interests, which include both tangible and intangible resources, where, of course, tangible resources are more important. Tangible resources include many things, like population. Think about China and India and the strength that they get from the population. Or on the opposite, the perceived vulnerability of Russia with a huge territory scarcely inhabited. Or think about territory and geographical conditions. Compare, for instance, the US, isolated by two oceans and weak neighbors in the north and the south, and Poland, in between two great powers, Germany and Russia. Think about natural resources, about oil in the Gulf, or indeed water in the Middle East. Think about industrial capacity and the ability to quickly convert your civil production into military production. And then, of course, military armaments. To these tangible resources, you then need to add also a number of other intangible resources, such as patriotism, simply be ready to die for your country, widespread education, international credibility, and so on. We need to be aware that power is not distributed evenly at the international level, and the relative shares of it may change over time. If power is concentrated in one country, we call the system unipolar. If power is concentrated in two countries, we call the system bipolar. If the power is concentrated in a few countries, in a few poles, we call the system multipolar. Two observations here. Power cannot be distributed in equal parts among all the states. Small or weak states are insignificant from this perspective.
What do you do with power?
Well, power is crucial to resist social reality that continuously pose a threat to your country. With power, you can pursue a preservation of the status quo, keeping your power up, or you can aim at increasing your power up to full imperialistic actions, which can take different shapes.
Can you please be more specific?
In the next unit, I will talk about specific strategies. Wait and see.